Hello guys, welcome back guys. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. How are you all doing? I hope everybody's having an amazing day. As you can see, I'm here for another exciting recipe. Yes guys, I'm here for another exciting recipe for you guys. So as you can see, I have a very simple, easy recipe. Okay, so today we're going to be making authentic Ghana Shito. Yes, local Ghana Shito. As you can see, I have all my ingredients right here guys. This shito is gonna be very simple. After you're done guys, it's gonna taste amazing. Enjoy ukrono or fiance no make our boyfriend or boyfriend count or fiance no ukrono busiano. They're gonna enjoy this. Enjoy very more dense. So right here as you can see, I have my oil guys. I'm not gonna use all this oil, okay, so don't be scared. All right, so I have oil right here. I have my tomato sauce right here. I use like fresh tomato and I blend it. I use about 3 fresh tomatoes. And also I have my onion on this side. This is red or purple onion. I use about 4 of them. And when you come here, I have my ginger and garlic blend as well. And also guys, I have my salt on this side. I'm using Derica. If you don't have Derica, you can use the normal hand tomato paste. This is about probably 6 ounces. Yeah, so this is Derica tomato. And my seasonings guys, I am going to use a Mekosam Ghana, we call it pepper powder. This one is sold on any African store. You can get this from any African store, or if you can't get this, you can also use chili powder. Okay, chili powder is very spicy, and if you're not a big fan of spicy, don't use this. Okay, just go ahead and use chili pepper. And I have my bay leaves on this side, moustache guys, you know how much I love moustache, cayenne pepper or paprika. If you don't have paprika, you can use cayenne pepper as well. I have cloves. I got this one from an Indian store for a very reasonable price, and I think it's organic too because they blended themselves, so that is very nice. I have Aniseed guys. This is Aniseed. And also I have my white pepper powder. This white pepper powder, you can get it from any Asian store, Hispanic store and Indian store too. It's called white pepper powder. Yeah. And when you come here guys, I have my shrimp. This is roasted dry shrimp. Because they have like a powder one, but I recommend you buy this and then blend it yourself. You burn this yourself. It's easy, it tastes better than the powder one, like the one that it's already blended. So I recommend you buy it. You can get this from African store near you, or I think Asian store, you can get it from there, or Indian store too. They sell this as well. And when you come here, I have my bony fish. Okay, this one is sardines, like this one is a dry sardines. Okay, I think that is what it is. So you can get this from African store also near you. Yeah, with this and then the shrimp together, it's gonna give the shito a very nice flavor, and that is what we want. Okay, so the reason why I'm using just a little bit of tomato paste is because I want to taste the shrimp and then the fish, okay, more. So this is dry sardines. So guys, it's gonna taste very delicious. Stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Let's get started. All right guys, so as you can see, I have my oil already in this pot. Guys, I have a lot of oil because we all know that shito eats a lot of oil. Okay, so don't freak out. This is how this recipe is. Ghana, that is how it is. They use a lot of oil to make this. So right now I have my onion right here, so I'm just gonna add the onion. So we're just gonna give it a good stir and let it cook. So you see how this onion has like a lot of water inside the onion. After it's cooked, you're gonna see that the oil is gonna separate it from the onion. So that's how you get to know that the onion is cooked. So at this moment, we're just gonna let it cook, and gradually, guys, stir your shito because you don't want to burn it. Okay, when you burn the shito, it's a very disgrace. Okay, to serve it to, especially to a guest. Inti umpesa asie be hye ti ma shito no numu wo ya numu ye pa nya time shito de wo ya, you have to have a time for it. Num na nye kama. So gradually I'm gonna come and stir until it's cooked. Okay, alright guys, so as you can see, this onion is halfway cooked. Okay, this is not fully cooked. See, it's getting there. You see how the oil is trying to separate it from the onion. That is what you want. So since it's halfway cooked, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my ginger and garlic blend. Okay, so I'm gonna add it right now. Just give it a nice stir. Sure everything is well combined. The smell of the ginger and the garlic and the onion, guys, it smells really nice. It smells beautiful, very nice. So I'm just gonna allow it to cook, and gradually I'm gonna make sure I stir. Okay, alright guys, so as you can tell, this onion is done, right? Because you can tell right away, like, see how the onion is separated from the oil. You know, you can't even see that you have onion in it like that. This is what you want. When you cook your onion, make sure you let it fry, because if you don't let it fry or let it cook and you just add whatever, it's just gonna, you know, spoil your shito. You know, mostly when people cook shito and then they complain that, oh, this shito is getting spoiled, it's because it did not allow the onion to cook well. Okay, so that is very, very important to know. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna add my meko powder, or how do you call it? Mekosam. In Ghana we call it mekosam. So this stuff here right here is very spicy. Like I said, if you don't like spicy, you can use chili pepper, okay, to make this. So I'm adding about just 1 teaspoon, okay, because that stuff is very, very spicy. And I know that normally shito is supposed to be spicy, but my husband is not very big fan of spicy these days, so I try to minimize my spiciness. Okay guys, I'm gonna add my tomato sauce right here. And then this tomato sauce, you guys, you have to allow it to cook through. The same thing like you did to the onion, the same thing. You have to let it cook before we add the rest of our ingredients. So guys, I think the tomato is cooked. Before, when you add it, you will smell the tomatoes. Like, you know, how to tell that your tomato is cooked. When you put it in there for the first time and you smell it, you will smell right away that it has the tomato. But when it's cooked and you smell it, it doesn't have any, you know, like tomato smell. So that's how you get to tell that it's done. So now I'm gonna add my tomato paste right here. And then gradually stir. Don't add any water, just let it cook through, because the tomato is enough to absorb it. Okay, so just make sure you mix it well, combine. So at this point you can lower your heat, okay, and leave it on to cook gradually, because you don't want to cook it, you don't want it to cook faster, okay. In that way you will burn your shito. Okay, so Alright guys, so our tomato is already cooked. So I have my spice right here. I have my white pepper, paprika, aniseed, growth, dash. So this is about 1 teaspoon each. So I'm gonna add them right now. Alright, and then I'm gonna add my salt right here. This is about a half teaspoon of salt. Hi guys, this shito is smelling nice. Shito is smelling shrimp papa guys. Smelling very nice. So this is the blended sardines and then the dry shrimp. Okay, remember that in my introduction I showed you this is how it look. I use my blender and blend them. This is how it look. So I'm going to add them right now. Yeah, it's always recommendable, like buy your own dry shrimp and then the dry sardines, okay, and then blend it yourself, then make it, use it for your shito, because that way you know that it is, you know, the real deal, you know. You see, as soon as you put it, then it eats, you know, just eats the oil, just like that. So, just give it a nice stir. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna add my bay leaves right here. Okay, this shito is smelling very nice. Shito na yung aye papa. Shito na ye fesse. See that guys? This shito is looking amazing. Looking really nice. So I just put my stove to low heat and I'm gonna let it sit. Okay, and gradually cook for about 10 minutes. And my shito will be ready. Guys, I'm so excited. Our shito is finally done. As you can see guys, it's looking very dark, very brown, beautiful shito. With this shito you can enjoy with your kenke, your benku, your jollof, your fried rice, your ngamu, or your oil rice. Guys, you can even eat with the yam, okay, plantain. Guys, this shito is looking beautiful. Wow, check this shito guys. I dense so and then so I'll check here and say yeah. So this is how I make authentic Ghana shito, black shito. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you like my shito, and don't forget to subscribe, okay, like, share, and try this recipe. I am going to list my Instagram account name so you guys can find me there, and if you have a photo you want to share, you can share with me as well, okay. I want to see how yours turn out. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, like, and comment. Love you guys. Enjoy. Alright, bye bye.